Right here, a lot of these cone drills on the line, literally quick off, head up, push through, feet are fast, all right? In and out, swirl routes, as soon as you get off the line, hit slant, all that stuff, all right? Right at the 1.5 treadmill, this is 28 miles on a bike, 21 split with 7. We're gonna do some hundreds after this, upper body. We're going on the field, if I can go on the field today, but this week probably once or twice. Get down into my Hall of Fame field. Everything going on. It's frustrating. You put all the work in. You got to put all the work in, no matter how frustrating it gets. All right. You got to have your own realm, your own, sanctuary. Your own. You feel comfortable in your environment. Football field, training, outside, inside the football field, like at Hall of Fame field, garage, every single aspect, fields, swimming, boxing, jump rope, and everything. That's my realm. Okay. So I'm gonna do the best I can. Do the best you can every single day. It's March 9th, 2021. Do the best you can. Fight hard. Push through. Don't let somebody dictate what you can and can't do in this world, no matter what opinion it is. Negative, positive, no matter what age you are. Push through. I'm in my 30s. I can literally train and play like I'm in my 20s, literally out of college. Fast feet. Work as hard as I can. I've been rock bottom. What's that rock bottom? Okay, they've been praised since they were in high school, half of them. So I'm gonna do the best I can. Whatever opportunity there is, inspire people with my voice and my work ethic. Get in that realm, you can inspire everybody. Where you're at, whatever situation you're in, you can inspire a lot of people. Keep doing that. All right, I'm gonna push through right here. All right, I can, I will, I must. IFL 2020 for my son. See me play, my girl see me play, touchdown for him in the end zone. IFL eventually, no matter when the season is, not where you start, it's where you finish, right there.